5D, the vascular pathways of blood. There are two vascular paths or blood vessel paths for blood, the pulmonary pathway and the systemic pathway. The pulmonary pathway is the collection of blood vessels that take deoxygenated blood from the body to the lungs. This is achieved by the right atrium and the right ventricle of the heart. The right atrium collects deoxygenated blood via the vena cava so that the right ventricle can pump it through the pulmonary artery to the lungs, where carbon dioxide may be released and blood becomes oxygenated. This occurs at the capillary beds of the lungs, where narrow vessels slow down the blood and their thin walls allow for gas exchange. The oxygen-rich blood then returns to the left side of the heart via the pulmonary vein, where it pools in the left atrium before the blood is pumped out of the heart to all the organs, tissues, and cells of the body. We call this vascular branch the systemic circuit. Blood leaving the heart will travel through a major artery called the aorta, which will branch into different arteries that will take blood to different parts of the body. Right at the base of the aorta is the carotid arteries and veins, which services the muscles of the heart. The pressure created by the systolic heart drives blood through the aorta and the subsequent arteries. When these arteries subdivide into smaller diameter arterioles, the pressure decreases due to the increase in number of vessels that branch off the arteries, and subsequently the speed of the blood decreases as well. This decrease in blood vessel diameter and speed is necessary so that gas exchange can adequately occur. As the blood vessels leaving the capillary beds combine, where the venules join to create veins with greater diameters, the blood pressure does not correct, and there will not be sufficient pressure to drive the blood back to the heart. So you remember that muscle contraction and valves are required by veins to help return the blood to the heart.